Is a composite sink a good choice? Choosing the right kitchen sink is important, and composite sinks have become a popular option in modern homes. But is a composite sink really a good choice? Let's break it down. Composite sinks are made from a mix of natural stone, like granite or quartz, and resin. This combination makes them extremely durable and resistant to scratches, chips, and everyday wear. If you use your kitchen heavily, this can be a big advantage. Another benefit is their stylish appearance. Composite sinks come in a variety of colors and finishes, giving your kitchen a premium and modern look. They also don't show water spots or stains as easily as stainless steel sinks. However, they do have a few drawbacks. Composite sinks can be heavier, which means proper installation is important. Also, while they are heat resistant, placing extremely hot pots directly into the sink is not recommended, as it may damage the resin over time. Cleaning is simple, just mild soap and water usually do the job. But harsh chemicals should be avoided to maintain the finish. Overall, a composite sink is a great choice if you want durability, aesthetics, and low maintenance. Just make sure you handle heat carefully and install it properly for long-lasting performance. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.